Are you running an architect, engineer, agency, working on an electrical company, or working as a data analyst? Need to handle or create a lot of flowcharts, mind maps, floor plans, or circuit designs? Then EdrawMax can be your best AI assistant. This AI-powered diagram maker will replace all other complex software very soon. In this video, I will share the method of how you can optimize your time and money with EdrawMax. Let's dive in. Wondershare. EdrawMax is the best AI-powered tool for creating diagrams at this moment. Now it's more powerful with AI features. You can use the desktop version or try it online on your web browser. I will put the link in the description. Just head over there and then create an account or download the app and install it on your device. I am using the desktop version. This is what the EdrawMax interface looks like. On the top you will find options to create flow art, mind maps, basic diagrams, graphs and charts, and more if you click on the More button. From here you will find several other important features like networking, floor plans, infographics, UI design, and more. So you can use it as a complete solution. Planning to execution, everything is possible. However, the most interesting feature is this Edraw AI. With this new AI feature you can create a diagram in just a single click. Alright. Now imagine your agency is working for a company that wants to make a hospital. You have to make a presentation on it including all the data. Let's see how you can do it with EdrawMax. Let's start with the floor plan. Select the floor plan option from here. Now you will find a vast number of floor plan design templates. You can select one of them and customize it as per your needs. If you want to start from scratch, select the floor plan option from here. Now select the blank design from here. A new blank design will be created here. In the Symbols tab you will find all the symbols like doors and windows, wall, shell and structure, kitchen and dining room. You can drag and drop the symbols and create your floor plan. Now if you are not finding the essential symbols, don't worry. You can create symbols with AI. For example, I want to create a hospital bed symbol. Just click on the AI symbol. From here AI drawing pop-up will appear. There are two modes available. Text to image and image to image. This time I will use the text to image feature. First of all, select the resource type. You can create symbols, stickers, landscapes and portraits. We will create a symbol, so select the symbol option. Next, set the type of the symbols between flat and 3D. I will go with the flat option. Next, enter the text prompt in this box. For example, I am typing hospital bed. Once everything is set, hit the Start Creating button. From here it will take some time to generate the image. And here it is. AI drawing generates 4 images for us. Now you can choose any of them and use them on your project. You can download the image for future use. In this method, design your floor plan by dragging and dropping the elements. Give proper time to design. For time-saving purposes, I am using these templates. Now let's see how you can change the style with just one click. You have to just click on this magic tool from here. As you can see, the style changes with every click. That's amazing. I love it. You will find the Edraw AI just to the right of the magic tool. This is your AI assistant. You can ask anything and it will help. With the AI diagramming feature of Edraw AI, you can generate timelines, mind maps, flowcharts, and other diagrams. For example, your client wants a timeline for the project. To create the project timeline, come to the prompt box and give the proper command. For example, I am entering a prompt I wrote earlier here. I asked it to create a timeline and then give the proper details about the project. After entering the prompt, click here and then select the timeline option. Once you are done, hit the Send button. From here Edraw AI starts creating our timeline. And here it is. The timeline is ready and honestly speaking it's just awesome. I like it. Now you can edit the timeline date according to your need. Once you are done you can add it to your presentation. Alright. You want to create a flowchart of the workflow. You have to just ask the AI to create a flowchart on the prompt box. After that, select the flowchart option from the AI diagram option. It will take some time to create your flowchart. That's really amazing. Edraw generates an amazing flowchart with all the data. Now you can customize the flowchart to make it more perfect. There is another very interesting feature available here. If you mark the flowchart you will find an AI feature called flowchart analysis. With this feature you can do flowchart detection, optimization and description. For example, this is an algorithm flowchart. Now I want to know the description of the flowchart. Just select the flowchart description and Edraw AI will generate the description. You can detect the flowchart with the detection feature. You will find all the edits of the flowchart. To optimize the flowchart, select the Flowchart Optimize option. You will find some optimization options. Select as per your need and you can see that AI generates a new optimized flowchart here. It's just magical. Alright, now let's see how you can create an amazing mind map with a simple text prompt on any topic. To do that, come to the Edraw AI panel. Select the mind map option from the AI diagramming option, and then enter the topic I am typing. Build a hospital. The AI is doing its work. And here it is. The mind map is ready. The AI did a great job. It describes all the key points in detail. So now you can create a mind map on any topic. Not only that, you can modify the mind map here. Just mark the map, and you will find various options to customize the map. This beautify option is just amazing. With this feature you can make the map visually captivating. You can change the style of the map like this. Now it looks so good. In the same method you can change the layout, connector, theme, color and others. Alright, there are so many more features on EdrawMax. You can draw a SWOT analysis with a text prompt. Just select the SWOT analysis option from here, and then enter the idea in the prompt box, and the AI will generate a SWOT analysis for you. In this same method you can create a lean canvas draw, PST analysis and more. Now you can export all of this in various formats. You can export the file as PDF, Word, Excel, PPT, EPS and other essential formats. You can share any project with your team and collaborate on the project. To do that, click on the Share button from here. After that, invite your team members to collaborate with you. That's amazing. In conclusion, EdrawMax is one of the best platforms to generate infographic content. Its AI feature makes it superior. With this amazing tool, now you can create any kind of infographic content that will boost your business. You can even make money from various platforms like Upwork and Fiverr by completing tasks with EdrawMax. And the good news is you can enjoy a 45% discount on Black Friday. This offer is for a limited time. So don't forget to try this amazing AI-powered platform. The link will be in the description. Alright friends, I'll wrap up our video now before I go. I'd love to hear your opinion about EdrawMax and its AI features. Share your thoughts and results in the comment section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching. And until next time, happy creating.